And so tell me about yourself. What's your name and your company name?
So we are Restoration One apartment in Wheaton, Illinois, Burn, Batavia. My name is Chris. I'm the owner, and we've been in business about 17 months.
And how long have you been working with Restoration Marketing Group?
We have been working with Restoration Marketing Group now for pretty much the lifetime of our young company. So I'm going to say 15 months or so.
Okay, and how was your experience working with them?
So, Lead Cottage and Restoration Marketing Group is a great company to work with. The amount of communication we have from them, the lead generation that we get from them, the quality of the leads is all fantastic and the best of all. Again, the support, the ability to get somebody on the phone when there's a lead that's valid, jump for joy, when we have leads that are on the fence and questionable. Unlike a lot of our competitors, we have no issues ever getting those credited back. So kudos to Restoration Marketing Group.
All right, you would recommend RMG in the future?
I would certainly recommend it to anybody looking to get their restoration company up and running off the ground and quick to shop in our great company.